With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question says that a shopkeeper allows 23% commission on the advertised price and still makes a profit of 10% if he gains rupees 56 on one item. Find his advertised price. Okay, we will find the advertised price. So first of all, quickly write down the given information. So given information is that here is a commission is equal to 23% on advertised price and the profit is given as 10% and the profit, this is the 10% profit percent, and the profit or gain is equal to rupees 56. Gain or profit is the same and this is the profit percent, this is 10%. So we know that, my dear student, we will use the formula, very important formula, that is profit is equal to profit percent upon 100 into CP. Okay, so here we will find the, and first of all, before solving this question, we are considering, let cost price CP of product be rupees X. Okay, we are considering CP X and advertised price, let's say rupees by. Okay, we will calculate by. So first of all, here we will use the formula. So profit will be equal to profit already in the given question, that is rupees 56. So this implies 56 is equal to profit percent, that is 10 upon 100 into CP. We are considering X. So here X will be equal to 10 will be cancelled out. So X will be equal to rupees 560. Okay, so this is the CP. Also we have a relation between CP, SP and profit. Okay, so here SP is equal to selling price is equal to CP plus profit. So here we have CP and profit also. So we will calculate here from this formula, that is SP. So CP is, we have already 560 and profit, that is 56, we have given in the question. Now this will be equal to rupees 616. So this is the selling price. Okay, now this is the selling price and also we will find the advertised price. Okay, so now we have also know that the relation between commission and advertised price. So commission will be equal to commission percent, commission percent upon 100 into advertised price. Okay, so here we have a given the commission percent. So this is equal to 23 upon 100 and advertised price we have considering, that is equal to by. So commission is equal to 23 upon 100 into by. Now according to the question, here SP is equal to selling price is equal to advertised price minus commission. Okay, because question it is already given that shopkeeper allowed 23% commission on his advertised price. Okay, so this is equal to SP, that is selling price will be equal to advertised price we have considering Y and commission, that is on advertised price, so this is equal to 23 upon 100, 23% into buy. Okay, so this is equal to, and SP we have already calculated, 616 is equal to, we will take in a common y, so 1 minus 23 upon 100, we will take an LCM. This implies 616 is equal to y 100 minus 23, so this is equal to 77 upon 100 into y, sorry, by already we will take in a common, so y will be equal to 616 into 100 upon 77. Okay, now further we will simplify, so this will be cancelled out with 8 times, so y is equal to 8 into 100 is 800, so rupees 800 is the advertised price, hence we can say that, hence y is nothing but the advertised price we are considering in the starting. Okay, so this is the advertised price, hence the advertised price will be equal to rupees 800. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.